In this video, I will show you how to automatically redirect any 404 page to a similar post. Automatically redirect any 404 page to a similar post based on the title, post type, and taxonomy using 301 or 302 redirects. So search this plugin WP404 Auto Redirect to Similar Post, install and activate. And use this plugin, guys. If you are facing any problem to use this plugin, so comment, I will try to answer it. So this is the very useful, famous and easy to use plugin to redirect automatically 404 to a similar post in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching and support my channel by subscribing my channel.